Let's explore how to make the most of your cargo bucket hat. Made from premium cotton canvas for durability and comfort. Available in two classic colours, signature brown and off-white ecru. Designed with two handy pockets to keep your essentials close. A cargo pocket on the outside for small items. An internal pocket for bigger valuables. Want a more relaxed look? Just remove the chin string. Rotate the tab, pull it through the eyelet, and do the same on the other side. Stash it away when you don't need it. For windy days or active moments, reattach it just as easily. Push the tab back through, rotate it, and you're good to go. Getting the perfect fit is simple. Try it on first. Adjust the Velcro tab and secure it in place. Need to tweak it? Just readjust until it feels right. Travel friendly and easy to pack. Roll it up, stash it in your bag. Once you arrive, just give it a quick iron if needed. Shop Billie Cargo Bucket Hat now at willandbear.com.